Good day, sir. My name is Jason Ramos. The present is about five concept of database. Database serve as the backbone of modern day information system, enab- enabling organization to store, retrieve, and manage vast amount of data efficiently. To harness the power of data effectively, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of key concepts such as data models, data design, SQL query language, relationship data queries, and transaction. Uh, this knowledge forms the foundation for creating well-structured database, optimizing data real and ensuring data integrity. In the follow selections, we will delve into each of these topics to provide a comprehensive overview of database management principle and practices. The first is about data models. Data models represent how data is structured and organized. Common example include relational, object-oriented, and hierarchical models. Relational database, for instance, organize data into tables with rows and columns, while object-oriented databases utilize object and classes. The use of data model depends on the specific need and complexity of the application. Dito, uh, data model are essential for organizing and structuring data in a database. There are various type of data models, each with its own set of rules and structure. For example, in a relational database model, data is organized into table with rows and columns. Each table represents a specific entity or concept, and relationship between table are established using key. This model is widely used due to its simplicity and flexibility. Uh, on the other hand, an object-oriented data model represents data as object which attribute and methods. This model beneficial for representing complex relationship, and it's often used in object-oriented programming language. And the data model organizes data in a tree-like structure with parent-child relationship. This model is suitable for representing data with hierarchical nature, such as organizational structure. And then, database design. This involves creation the structure of database, including tables, column, relationship, and use type. Effective data design ensures data consistent, minimize redundancy, and facilitates effect, efficient querying. Dito naman, uh, good database during design is crucial for ensuring data integrity, efficiency, and scalability. When designing a data, it is essential to consider the relationship between entities. entities. Uh, the data, the data type, each attribute, and the normalization of data to induce redundancy. For instance, when designing a database for a library, you will create table for book, authors, publisher, and patrons. Relationship between these entities will be established using foreign key, and attribute will be defined with appropriate data types such as integers, string, or dates. And then, normalization is another important aspect of database design, which involves breaking down data into smaller logical units for minimize redundancy and improve data consistency. This process usually involves dividing table and creating relationship between them. And then SQL SQL structure query language. SQL is standardized language used to interact with and management relational database. It allowed user to perform tasks like querying, updating, deleting, and managing data within the database. SQL is a standard language used to interact with relational database. It allows to perform various operations such as querying data, inserting new record, updating existing records, and deleting data. SQL is essential for managing and manipulating data within a database. For example, a sample SQL query to retrieve all books from a library database would look like select parentheses from books, and then this query select all records from the books table the and returns them as a result set. And then fourth is relational database queries. Queries are used to retrieve specific data from a database on defined criteria. They can sample or complex and their result and often presented in tabular format. Uh, dito, relational database queries are used to retrieve specific data from a database on defined criteria. Queries can be sample of complex depending on the requirements of the user. For instance, a query to retrieve all the books of published after 2010 and from a library database would look like, and then select asterisk from book were published date and 2010 slash 1 and then 1. Other queries select all records from the books table where publication date is after January 1, 2010. And then the last is transaction. A transaction is a sequence of database operations that are created as a single unit of work. It ensures data integrity by guaranteeing that all operation in a transaction either complete successfully or are rolled back in or error, say, where tabela. Transaction are essential to maintaining data integrity in a database. A transaction is a sequence of data operation that are treated as a single unit of work. All operation in a transaction most either complete successfully or be rolled back if an error occurs. For example, when a patron check out a book from a library, a transaction would involve updating the books table to mark the table as checkout and updating and patrons the table to assorted the book with the patron if any operation within transaction failed, the entire transactions will be rolled back to maintain data consistency. Thank you.